Hello. In this video we'll be calculating the students' grades. We have a list of 50 students along with their marks and also the grade criteria. Now let me explain the grade criteria. From 0 to 39, if the marks are less than 40, so it will be considered a fail. So, and then from 40 to 49 it's C, from 50 to 59 it's C plus, from 60 to 69 it's B, from 70 to 79 it's B plus, from 80 to 89 it's A, and from 90 and above it's called A plus. We can do this by F function, multiple F, nested F, but we will go with the VLOOKUP based on the number. So the lookup value is number, marks that the students obtain, and then we will select the table and we will pick the number from the second column, the grade. So now here is the trick. We will not select the exact match, we are looking for the approximate match. So what the approximate match in VLOOKUP does, if it matches, if exactly matches, it's pick this detail from the second column. If it does not match, then it will go back and look the next the previous highest in the slab. So if it's look to 87, I guess, then it's looking back because it does not match 90, so it go back and find 80. So what is 80? At the grade is A. Similar for 67. 67A go back, it goes to 60. 60 we have B. And we have the grades for all the students now. As an aided analysis, we will be adding the we will be count the number of students in each grade. Select the range. Criteria is the grade criteria. You need to fix the range as well, because when you drag the formula, sometimes it disturbs the range and the calculation is not exactly true. Same we will do it for the percentage. The number of students in each grade divided by the total number of students, and then we'll convert into percentage, fix the total, and then copy the formula to the lower cells. So this is all we have for the, these are part of the calculation. So we calculated the grades, then we calculate the number of students in each grade, and then we convert the percent into percentages. Thank you for watching.